did.
Now?
Sam, I'm not going to be able to live with myself if I don't.
Hey, no. What are you
That
doing?
orderly just told me that they're prepping me for surgery.
Yeah, well, I signed the paperwork.
Elizabeth, why would you
You're
do
too
that?
incapacitated to do it yourself.
Elizabeth.
I told you I won't let you die.
I know that you love me. You need to let me go.
Dante, what was that sound? We heard an alarm going off. Was it Dustin? Dante!
Why do you sit down?
No. Just tell me.
I'm sorry. Lulu, Dustin didn't make it.
No. I should have been in there with him. I should have been in there. I didn't get to say goodbye to him.
His last words were about you. And he gave us.
So sorry.
So, Deb was in the rib when it exploded. And he died in the ambulance.
Oh, Sonny, I'm so sorry.
Could you go to the hospital and just do the paperwork? Just tell them that you're representing the family. I'll notify his father. I just don't want, I don't want Brando to get a call from the administration.
Absolutely. Oh, wait a minute. I brought Sam.
I'll make sure she gets home.
Then I'm gone.
All right.
Sonny, when you hear anything about Jason and Danny, will you call me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Can this wait? I have more important things to think about right now.
You can't?
I am waiting to find out if Jason and Danny are alive. What could possibly be more important than that?
Nothing. Except I think you need to hear this from me.
Later.
Did they get everybody out? Is there anyone left inside?
We don't know yet. They're still searching.
Carly, just take it easy. Take it easy.
No, stop scaring me like that, Jason. Jason.
Where's Danny?
He's at the Quartermains. I just dropped him off.
Oh, thank God.
He's at the Quartermains. He's okay. He's okay.